In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify Storefront API Access Token. This token lets your headless storefronts, custom front ends, or client-side apps securely read stored data through Shopify's Storefront API. It's designed to be used on the public web, but it still needs to be created and handled carefully, with only the permissions your project requires. Start by opening your Shopify admin at shopify.com and signing in. From the admin home, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps developer and app-related controls you'll need for the token. Inside Settings, choose Apps and Sales Channels. On that page, click Develop Apps. If this is your first time here in the store, Shopify will ask you to enable custom app development. Go ahead and allow legacy custom app development, then confirm by selecting Allow Custom App Development in the warning dialog. Read the notice so you understand the implications. You're creating an app within your store, and any access tokens generated from it should be protected and used only where necessary. Once app development is enabled, click Create a Legacy Custom App. Give your app a clear, descriptive name that matches its purpose, like the project or integration that will use the Storefront API. This helps you and your teammates recognize it later. After naming the app, click Create App to finish setting it up. With the app created, open the API Credentials section. This page is where you manage keys and tokens associated with your app. Look for the Storefront API area. If prompted, first configure the Storefront API permissions your front end needs, such as reading products, collections, or cart. Grant only what's essential for your use case, then save. Next, create the Storefront Access Token. Shopify will generate it for you right on this page. Copy it immediately and store it in a secure place, such as an environment variable in your build system or server. Avoid pasting it into public code or sharing it in screenshots. This token is what your client will send in the X Shopify Storefront Access Token header when making GraphQL or REST requests to the Storefront API. That's it. You've enabled custom app development, created a legacy custom app, and retrieved the Storefront API Access Token from the API Credentials page. If you ever need to rotate it, you can return here to regenerate a token and update your deployment. Keep scopes minimal, keep the token safe, and you'll be set up for a smooth headless or custom storefront integration.